I gave myself a challenge. Make $500 using ChatGPT in just 7 days. No skills, no paid tools, no ads, just AI and hustle. And the results? Let's just say it worked better than I expected. Hey, welcome to Quantum Gig Hub. This is the channel where we teach you how to earn smarter, not harder, with AI tools, digital side hustles, and tech-powered strategies. In this video, I'm sharing the exact steps I used to make $500 in a week with just ChatGPT and a few free tools. Let's dive in. I started with $0, no clients, and no audience. My goal? Prove that you don't need a degree, a budget, or coding skills to make money with AI. The tools I used: ChatGPT, Canva, Notion, and a free Fiverr account. The rules: 7 days. Only free tools. No outsourcing. No paid traffic. Let's go. Day 1 and 2, I did my research. I asked ChatGPT to help me find trending AI side hustle ideas, like ad copywriting, product descriptions, and selling prompts. Then I opened a Fiverr account and created my first gigs. I also made a digital product idea to sell on Gumroad. Canva helped me design a simple logo and cover in under 20 minutes. All AI-powered. Day 3 and 4, my first order came in. Someone needed 5 Instagram captions for a clothing brand. I asked ChatGPT to generate it, tweaked the output, and delivered it in under 40 minutes. Got paid $25. Not huge, but it was working. I kept going. By day 5, I had made another $60 writing product descriptions for Etsy sellers, again, all with ChatGPT. I also listed a custom Notion dashboard on Gumroad and got my first sale. That's another $17. By day 6 and 7, things picked up. I added an AI business name generator service using ChatGPT. Got 3 quick orders. Final total at the end of day 7? $516. Purely from free AI tools. What worked best? Fiverr gigs powered by ChatGPT, especially ones with fast delivery. What didn't work as well? Selling 2 general prompts. Those didn't sell quickly. The key? Be specific, deliver fast, and use ChatGPT to your advantage. Anyone can do this. Even you. This challenge showed me how powerful AI can be, even if you're starting from scratch. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to start. And if you're ready to try this yourself, you'll want to watch my next video, where I share 5 easy AI hustle ideas for beginners. Click on screen or hit the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to Quantum Gig Hub for more AI-powered income ideas. Until next time, keep earning smarter.